Seriously? Hate this class. Who even needs to learn cinematography anyway? Not even my degree. Hi, I'm Professor Tates. Starting the day by pushing blind old ladies down some stairs gives me just enough serotonin to get through my day.
Yes, just turn a little bit more toward the light.
Which light? There's 5.
The blue one. Oh wow, that's perfect. You're a natural.
My chest isn't doing that pigeon thing where it's all puffed out, is it?
Oh, just 1 second.
What's wrong? Am I shiny? I don't want to be shiny.
No, you got an email.
Oh, that old thing. Give it here. Oh, it's my student, Kylie.
Oh, I know her. She's awesome.
She's fantastic, that one. Top marks all around. Always making amazing choices. Hello, favorite student, Sam. Just figure it out. Smiley face.
Figure it out? Your evening is going splendid. Can build out tomorrow morning.
Mine just keeps coming now, doesn't it? Splendid. To confirm with you, project tomorrow morning. Bring the big guns, as you Americans say. Shoot your shot. Okay, now. Where were we?
We were just about to bring this out.
I love it!
Big guns? Shoot your shot? Is my ADHD kicking in? Bingo.
Just fabulous.
I'm sorry. So sorry. Kindly elaborate. Thanks. Fantastic. Send. Of course. There. Done. No more distractions. Take this from me. I don't want to see it the rest of the time I'm here.
Of course he doesn't pick up. Well, he said big guns. There's only one person who can help me. Austin, hey. Listen, I know you just got out, but I need a favor. Yeah, it's a big one. Package? I need a number 8-1.
Reports are coming in from neighboring residents that they heard gunshots coming from this building at 6:30 this morning. Sources say that the terrorist was one Kylie Evans. She was drugged up on Molly as she attacked the photography studio. Police took her testament this morning, and it was, and I quote, "But I was just doing as he asked," end quote. This is Carissa Stewart, and thank you for joining us this morning on NBCB. Back to you, Todd.